to use HubSpot CRM app. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a simple tutorial on how to get started with the HubSpot CRM. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go on to HubSpot.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on software, you're going to click on free HubSpot CRM. So what is HubSpot CRM? Well, it is a free management software. You can have all of your contact related management directly from their software. So what you're going to do is you can see over here all of the basic features. You can see they have email tracking and notification, prospect tracking, meeting scheduling, live chats, and all of the basic features that you will need. So you're just going to click on Get Free CRM. And then what you're going to do is you can create an account. And I already have an account, so I'm going to continue with this user. And I'm going to continue with this account. So you can obviously use your own new account, but once you do that, this is going to be your basic HubSpot hub. So what can you really do with the CRM application, and how do you really make the max out of the HubSpot CRM? Well, it's not that hard. Now you can see on your top, you have your contacts, and you have your conversations, you have marketing, you have sales, you have services, automation, and reports. And then on your right, you have your basic account, you have all of your basic billing and history, pricing and features, you have your notifications, and then you have your marketplaces. So you can see over here, this is going to be your basic user guide dashboard, and you can see all of the basic features and details from over here. So to get started, the first thing you're going to do is you can go into your contacts. Now you can see over here that you have different contacts in your HubSpot account according to your business. You can add and import contact, so you can click on create contact. And then from here, you can enter the email address, the first name, and the last name. So just like that, you can enter a contact. Now within your contact, you can add as many details as you possibly could want. So let's say you want to add emails, calls, tasks, meeting. You want to add what company they're from, if you're dealing with them, what kind of tickets they have, any kind of attachments that you need to add that are exclusive to this, you can add over here. And in your contact list, if you go back into the contacts, now you can see over here in your contact list, you have all contacts, and then you can also search for my contacts. So if you're a larger business that has multiple people using their account, you can add contacts accordingly. Like let's say I'm working in a team of 5 people and we are 5 lawyers, and one lawyer is dealing with a certain number of clients, one lawyer is dealing with other number of clients. So they can add like, okay, this person is this person's client, and it's very clear to everyone on how to manage their relationship with that client, so no one oversteps their boundaries. So you can also filter out your own contacts like so, and you can click on import over here as well, and then you can sync up your data with any other application if you have added your contacts over there, or you can import with a CSV file as well. So that is another way to reduce the amount of time that you have to spend on adding your contacts to your HubSpot CRM. Now below your contacts, you also have companies and calls. So companies is one of the most essential features that I really like about HubSpot, is that you can integrate as many companies as you want. You can add the company owners, you can add companies that you're just dealing with, you can add companies that you're a part of, and you can also import your own companies as well. Now, if you have a subsidiary of one company, you can click on actions over here, and you can manage duplicates as well, and you can also merge companies. So if you have 2 companies that are going through a merger, you can also integrate them. Like maybe if your marketing company was a different company, but now you are buying in with your marketing company, you can integrate your marketing company and combine it to form one company just by clicking on the company, clicking on actions, and then just clicking on merge over here. You can merge any 2 companies together in your company section on HubSpot. Now, after that, you have your conversations, and this is some very basic stuff. So this is just going to be your basic inboxes, basic emails, messages, and all of your contact information. And then you have marketing. So marketing is more important. Definitely, it's a lot more complex than just simple conversation. So you can see over here what kind of ads customers are watching. Then you can see you have emails, you have landing pages, social, and SEO. So if you go into your email section, you can integrate any email marketing company that you have. So let's say you are using MailChimp, you can integrate that on HubSpot as well, but you can also get started with their email sending for free with 2,000 emails per month. So you can click on get started over here, and then you can skip any other provider like this, and then you can just set up your own email list. So after that, you have your landing pages on HubSpot. So from here, you can just click on get started, and you can enter the page name, that you want to create. And just like that, you have your active theme content creator. So you can create your page like so, and you can select the template. And then you can start adding pages to your website just from HubSpot directly. So that is how simple and easy it is for you to begin integrating new features into your already existing business with HubSpot and managing them as well. Now, after that, you have your social SEO and campaigns. So you can run campaigns, social media campaigns, and search engine optimization on your website or landing pages or whatever kind of content that you're creating. Now, below that, you have your forms section where you can manage the forms present on your website if you have any. You can collect all the data from the forms over here. You can get emails from customers. You can sign them up for newsletters via the form section and the data that you collect from these kinds of forms. So after that, you have your sales section on HubSpot. So on your sales, it's very, very essential that you can easily track your sales from HubSpot. And this is a great way to make sure that you have company transparency. All of your deals are in the open. There are no issues with any kind of deal. So you can click on the deal section over here. You can add all of the information for any deals. You can have appointments over here. You can have all of your meetings. You can schedule all of your emails or your messaging contacts, or all of that information can be gathered within the deals section. Now, below that, you have your tasks, and this is great, especially if you're running your team on HubSpot. You don't need an entire project management software. You can just create tasks over here and assign them to the people that you have on your team, and they can accomplish them right over here. So you can just click on create task. You can add meet new investor, and then you can assign it to any person in the team. I haven't added anyone else, so I just have to assign it to myself, but you can assign it to any person in your team. And then you can also add a due date. So let's say the due date is in 1 week, and you can also add notes. You can add reminders. You can add the associated record. So maybe this investor is related to a previous deal, or maybe this investor is like from a different link. So you can add all of that information over here as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on create, and now you have your simple task over here. And once the task has been completed, they can just click on this button over here to make sure that this task has been completed, and that this will be like marked off, and it's a simple indication that the task has been completed. Now, below that in your sales section, you have documents and meetings, and you can schedule meetings. As I said, that's another simple feature, but you also have your documents feature. So all of your business deals, all of your communication, all of your invoices, especially because invoices are like a big deal, you can upload all of your documents over here to make sure that you just have all of your important information saved within a simple and easy to access section. Now, after that, you have your tickets. Now, what is tickets? Now, tickets are like basically the flow of work that goes. So you can have certain tickets, and then when work is progressing, so when the task that I just created has been done, maybe this needs to be forwarded to a superior person, and that kind of automation can be created via ticketing. Now, after that, you have your automation features, but these are only available on the premium version of HubSpot. So you will have to upgrade to go with the sequences and workflow section on HubSpot. If you want to do that, you're going to have to upgrade. Now, after that, you have your basic analytic tools. So you have your basic dashboards that you can use to monitor team progress. Like you can see over here, you have your basic overviews. You can have different charts and graphs to illustrate how far your company is going. And then you just have your analytic tools where you can see custom behavioral events, traffic analysis, if your web page is getting a lot more traffic on certain days or certain times of the day, and then you can optimize it accordingly. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with HubSpot. Now, you can see over here, HubSpot is available for free, but they do have certain features where you do have to upgrade. So let's say if you want specific features, like basic CRM is free, but like if your work focuses on marketing or sales, then it might be a good option for you to opt for a marketing hub and pay for exclusive features on the marketing section. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.